Good morning, students. Welcome to EVS class. How are you? Are you enjoying at home? Are you playing games at home? Different kinds of games. Tell me what kind of games you played these days. Could you tell me anything? Yeah, yes. Today we will study about games of today. Last class we already studied about games of past. Already we have seen some kind of games, chupan chupai, lakadi tang. So all kinds of games we have seen in the past. Today we will study about the present days, what kinds of games we are playing. आज हम बहुत ज़्यादा खेल खेलते हैं. What kind of games are there? There number of games are there. Snakes and ladders, chess, cricket, football, video games, hopscotch and Scrabble. There are many games are there. When we are learning, we have to understand today games. Today's games we have seen. Today, what kind of games? Today we study snakes and ladders, chess, cricket, football, video games, hopscotch and Scrabble. All these are games. But then we have to notice that games we play, some games we can study or we can learn or we can play with one person. Some games we can play with one person. Could you tell me one game that you can single play? Single person? Yes. You are playing your mother's mobile something or computer game. All these games single one person अकेले play खेल खेलते सकते हैं. Here we see games single, partner, team. Single means कुछ खेल अकेले खिलाड़ी no need. कुछ खेल अकेले खिलाड़ी द्वारा खेलते जाते हैं. अकेले खिलाड़ी द्वारा खेलते जाते हैं. Here single, Scrabble मतलब like this. Words using and making some kind of words, some alphabets using here. Alphabets S, K, I, N, skin. So this way also K, I, D, kid. So we think here how to make. So it will help us to increase our thinking power, imagination power, intelligence. Here some games we see that are needed partner, carom, chess, etc. वह कुछ खेल में खेलने के लिए पार्टनर जरूरी होती है. पार्टनर, कैरम, चेस, etc. Here single person, one person playing that game. Next one we see team games. What kind of games we call team games? कुछ खेलने के लिए ना समूह की आवश्यकता होती है. Many people needed team games. There are one team. They are needed 5 person or 6 person. So cricket, football like that team needed. So we say games there are playing single, partner and team. And also we can see we can divide the games that are indoor games and outdoor games. What kinds of games we say that is indoor games? That inside of the house. Different kinds of games we are playing. Word games, card games, etc. Outdoor, what kinds of games? Here अंदर house का अंदर में ना What kind of games? Word games, computer games, or any kind of other games, card games. Outdoor, bahar. What kind of games bar we play? Cricket, football, or etc. So such kind of games we say outdoor games. Indoors and outdoors games means here these games we play inside the house. Here we say outside the house. Here some games are playing indoors and outdoors, both tennis, badminton, etc. Now we shall study detail about in the textbook. We shall read the textbook and study. Games of today. Today, children play a large number of games. Today, आज हम बहुत ज़्यादा खेल खेलते हैं. Today, children play a large number of games. This includes कौन सा तरह के? Snakes and ladders, chess, cricket, football, video games, hopscotch, and Scrabble. There are many options to choose from. There are many games. Whatever we want, we can play and enjoy it. Here we are learning that anyhow different kinds of games that playing by one person or it need partner or we are playing by team. Some games can be played by a single player. कुछ खेल अकेले खिलाड़ी द्वारा खेले जाते हैं. One single person, अकेले खिलाड़ी. There are some games that require a partner or a group like carom and chess. Here needed अकेला नहीं है, a partner is needed. वह कुछ खेल में खेलने के लिए पार्टनर की जरूरत होती है. For some games, the players need to make two teams. कुछ खेलों के खेलने के लिए समूह की आवश्यकता होती है. Each team has fixed number of players. Example, cricket, hockey and football are games played by teams. Next we will see that before we have seen different kinds of games, now we will see what kinds of games are playing outside and what kinds of playing or games we are playing inside. There are some games that can be played inside the house or building. Inside house का अंदर खेल खेल रहे हैं. What kinds of playing? Such games are called indoor games. So house का अंदर कौन सा तरह के खेल खेल रहे हैं? This kind of games we are called indoor games. This can be played by people of all ages. छोटा वाले ना, बेटा वाले ना, any kind of people can play and enjoy. Your brother, you, or your father or grandparents or your parents, anybody. Some games like cricket, golf and football are played outside. Other some games are playing outside, bahar. These bahar, which kind of game we are playing, that are called outdoor games. Cricket is played on a cricket field. There are rules that must be followed in most of the outdoor games. There are some kind of rules that we have to follow whatever games we are playing outside. Golf is a slow game. It can be played by people of all ages, but older people enjoy it the most. So older people like to play golf. Treasure hunt, hopscotch and hide and seek are liked by children the most. छोटा वाले के ना कौन सा तरह गेम ज़्यादा पसंद है? ट्रेजर हंट, हॉपस्कॉच एंड हाइड एंड सीक आर लाइक by the children the most. Some games can be played indoors and outdoors as well, like tennis and badminton. Some games we can play outdoor and indoor also. Next we will see why we play. Already we have seen the chapter beginning. Why we are playing means it gives us relaxation or it gives good health. See, people play games for different reasons. Some people play games to have fun and to relax, whereas some people play to be healthy and strong. There are some people who play games because it is their job. These people earn money from games. For example, the players of different games who represent India, cricket team, hockey team, badminton and tennis players and wrestlers earn money from the matches. So here also we can see the people who are very interested in sports and they got gold medal or other prizes. See, Virat Kohli, he got which game he participated? Cricket. He is very famous in cricket and you all like him. Next, Saina Nehwal, she is very expert in badminton. And Vijendra Singh, he is very interested and expert the game boxing. Next we can see Vishwanath Anand. He is concentrating the game and a very clever person. He engaged the game that chess. We conclude the lesson telling that what are the importance of the games. We see while we are playing outdoor games help us to keep fit and healthy. We can make our body fit and healthy. While many indoor games like Scrabble and help us to learn new words by playing games, we learn to obey rules. And another thing that is we can learn whatever the rules are given in the games and we are following the instructions. But do not feel bad about it and practice hard. At times we lose. When we face some failures in the game, there is a chance for us to practice it and do hard work. Next time we can win it. So all the way we can say games are very important. Now let's try to answer the questions. First, let's write. First, fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. Pittu is played with dash. Which one we will choose? In a veranda, many kinds. Which one is suitable? Pittu is played with a small ball and a few bricks. Next, hopscotch can be played where we can play in veranda. Next, computer games are of many kinds. Next, football is played by two teams. Golf can be played by old and young people. So we have to fill in the blanks and write the answer. Next, use a blue crayon to color the games that are played indoors. We see many games are given here. Which are the games are playing indoors? We have to find out. Table tennis, chess, Kabaddi where we are playing, it is outside, so it is not. So here we can fill the color, blue color, this column and this column. Scrabble, this is also indoor games, Ludo, cards, then cricket outside, hopscotch outside, hockey outside, kho outside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games are playing indoor games. Next, let's write. Answer the questions. Let's write. Answer the questions. Now we shall find out the questions, question answers. Answer the questions. Name 2 games that were played long ago and are played even today. Name. नाम बोल रहे सकते हैं. कौन सा टाइप गेम that is played long ago, past. What type of games we were? First we have seen Chupan Chupai, Pittu and Gilli Danda are still played in some parts of the country. So pahle long ago, what kinds of play, and today also आज भी ये खेल खेल रहे हैं. Chupan Chupai, Pittu and Gilli Danda are still played in some parts of the country. B. Name any 2 indoor games. Name any. नाम बोल सकते कौन सा तरह के इंडोर, हाउस का अंदर कौन सा तरह के खेल खेल रहे हैं. दैट कैन बी प्लेड बाय ए सिंगल प्लेयर. अंदर खेल रहे हैं ए ओनली सिंगल पर्सन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दैट प्ले? Computer games and Scrabble can be played by a single player indoors. C. What are outdoor games? Name a few. Everybody knows what kind of games are we are playing outside. बाहर कौन सा तरह खेल खेल रहे हैं? Games that are played outside in a playground or field. Games that are played outside. बाहर कौन सा तरह के खेल खेल रहे हैं? प्लेग्राउंड में ना, फील्ड है ना. आर आउटडोर गेम्स. Games that are played outside in a playground or field are outdoor games like cricket and football. Examples: cricket and football. Last question. Name any 3 players. Any 3 players who represent India in any games or sports. Saina Nehwal, Vijender Singh, P.V. Sindhu and Vishwanath Anand are some sports person who represent our country in their respective sports.